Yo, what up, guys? Thundering Diesel here with another video. So as you can hear me pretty good, right? So I got a new mic like 2 weeks ago. I recorded a few ASMRs. Y'all can watch them. They were like the past 3 videos ASMRs, I think. So I mean, they're all right. I just some of them, they're too distorted. Like it's too loud, you know. The jigs and the wind, man. The wind messes up. So I need to find like. Actually, I'm gonna put it behind the cap here, between the cap, and I'm gonna put it on the best. And this is magnetic. And yeah, lower down the wind noise, see if I can fix it. And also, I'm gonna see. I have a friend I met on TikTok. He wants to put the C13, my engine, on ATS. He's not the one doing it, but he's the one talking to Slav Jerry. If y'all don't know him, he talked to Slav Jerry about putting my engine into ATS. So if y'all want to see that guy, stay tuned. But yeah, I'm gonna be recording some audios and stuff. So actually, I'm gonna try to upload this video today. So I think the last actual video like of me working was the one titled "My Best Week Yet," I think. So that was actually one of my best weeks, man. So it was my best week, but we had another one even better than that. It was only like $200 more, but damn, guys, it was last week. We made $6,400, maybe even 6,500, and after diesel, maybe like $5,000. It's still pretty good though. But yeah, guys, this week is going good too. Not as good as the other weeks though. So today we're hauling 56 stone out of the Vulcan here in Banllground, Georgia. We're on the last load, though, only 5 loads, because today it rained, man. Some jobs got canceled. We were actually supposed to be hauling GAB to Oakwood, Georgia. You can see the video there in the corner. When we first went to that job, it was all muddy and stuff. So, but now they have buildings. So yeah, they got buildings there. And actually, last week we were hauling GAB there too, one of the parking lots. And there's one more parking lot left. So that GAB job paid so good, man. We made $1,200. We did 11 loads from 7 in the morning to 4 p.m., guys. So I think that's pretty good money.
Could I get 9 to you, please?
It's pretty good money when we haul by the ton, guys. So with Stewart Brothers, but this past week, or this week, yesterday and Monday, we were hauling for Stewart Brothers some asphalt. We're hauling asphalt by the hour, though, man. That's like the first time they actually pay by the hour for asphalt. I mean, it's only like a 10-minute drive, maybe that's why, or I don't know. But we were paving a residential. It's actually this video we were doing the millings there in this video. So we milled that street, now we're doing the paving. So the past 2 days we got good money, man. We made over $1,000 each day. It's just we had to work the hours though, man, from 7 in the morning till almost 5 p.m. 5:30. And it's by the ton. We only worked from like 8 till 4, man. And we made more, like $1,200, $1,300 we did in like, what, 8 hours? Shit. But also heard they got bought out, so hopefully it'll change the way they pay, you know? Hopefully they don't do cheaper like Baldwin. Baldwin only pays $95 an hour. And the most we ever get with those guys is like 6 to 8 hours, guys. It's no good. I mean, at least it's something, you know, it's good money, but my situation, I need to make as much money as I can, $1,000 a day, you know. I'm still in debt. Yeah, hopefully the rest of the week is good, man. Like I heard we're gonna be doing paving there again tomorrow and Friday. But it looks like it's also gonna rain. Hold on, guys, let me give you a quick jailbreak clip. Y'all can hear it pretty good with my new mic. like quarries with all those bumps, man. It feels like my truck's gonna break in half or something.
Dave. Y'all way in here, empty way clear. Nine point. Okay, thank you.
Man, I only got like, what, 16, 17 tons, man. I'm getting paid by the ton in this job. Only this is my last load, man.
Okay, 17 ton, okay, huh?
Yes, man.
Alright, I got you.
I don't want to waste more time. I just want to go home now and edit this video. So I'm gonna upload this video because I'm too lazy to go edit the longer videos I recorded last week and this week. So dang, I only got one ticket, but it's fine. I only need to take a picture of the ticket, and I don't have to keep it. So we're hauling for the truck stop, which is the Vulcan. It's for Vulcan's customers. But yeah, so like I said, they canceled the jobs today, so that's why we're doing Vulcan work today. Only 5 loads, like 600 something bucks, which is alright, man. We get to go home early and relax finally. So yeah, I gotta stay tuned. I'm gonna upload this video tonight. Let's go deliver the last load. Come on. Domino's I just passed by and someone at Vulcan got Domino's. I'm pretty hungry, but I'm gonna eat till I get home. And this guy behind me, the other guy I'm hauling with, this is my first time I met him, but this guy offered me food, man. He offered me to buy McDonald's for me. It's because I helped him out. I think it's a new dump truck driver. Not a new truck driver, man. He told me he'd been OTR hauling tankers. But yeah, I was helping him out because we were both overweight and he was 60 pounds over. I was 150 pounds over, so I taught him how to dump it. So you just open the tailgate, you don't lift the bed. Because for a wheeler, I ain't got time for no damn truck. But yeah, you just open your tailgate and open it with your shovel, and it's gonna spill out. So you're waiting until it stops, and it was too much that we dumped. So yeah. So when you open your tailgate, you have to wait till it stops dumping, and when it stops, it dumps out like half a ton, sometimes more. I was only trying to dump like 150 pounds, but man, I still got 19 tons, which is alright. But yeah, I helped this other driver out and he offered to buy me McDonald's. But like, nah, I want to eat at home. I like eating at home, watching my show, you know. And I kind of want maybe Chick-fil-A. I don't know what I want to eat, or a burger. I don't know. Guys, I just wanted to make this quick video of me yapping whatever shit happened this week or today. Oh yeah, this guy,
Well, look like finito.
what did he say? What was that?
So it looks like we finished it. 10 loads, bro.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's that guy talking to me right now. So yeah, this guy told me last week he got a dang a ticket for being on the no truck route, man. It's a bunch of bullshit, man. They put a lot of those no truck signs around the quarries. That's how they get you, man. You're forced to use a longer route, but no, man. Sometimes you gotta go through the no truck routes. And he got lucky. He only had to pay a $200 ticket. It was actually a $600 ticket, but he talked it down to a $200. But when I got my first ticket for that, it was actually my very first day working with this truck. We're hauling GAB for Stewart Brothers over there in, from the Auburn quarry to Jefferson. So So I was leaving the Auburn quarry. There's not a lot of no truck routes, and they pulled me over, guys, and I got a ticket. And Auburn is really strict for no trucks, man. So I had to pay a $300 ticket, and I got 3 points on my license, man. Points on your license is bad. Once you get 12 is when you lose your license. So far I have 3. And this guy got lucky, he has no points on his license. Yeah, it sucks, man. We can't drive through the fucking roads we built. Come on. We be hauling asphalt to build the roads, but we can't use them, man. We haul materials to make your houses. We bring your dirt. And now we can't use your roads? Come on. But anyways, guys, let's go deliver this last load of 56s. I'll see you over. Come on. Alright, guys, we have arrived at the job, so I need to back in. I need to wait until these four-wheelers pass real quick. And then we back in. So 5 loads each, 10 in total. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. I did these 5 loads, 5 on my side, 5 on this side. So yeah, that's that new mic, guys. It was pretty pricey, but think of it as an investment, man. I better watch my videos, bro. And also, DJ sponsor me, man. Send me a camera. So what sounds better, with my phone or with that? So I need a new camera soon, man, cause the videos what I recorded is with my phone and my GoPro. So the GoPro only record like the dumping and loading process and the driving. The only problem is I can't connect that mic to the GoPro. I need to sync the audio together, so I record it. So that mic has an internal recording which records separate, so I need to sync it every time. I'm too lazy to do that every time, so. Or I could buy another GoPro. I have a GoPro Max, like that you can't connect external mics to this one, but the other GoPros, like the normal square ones that are not 360, you can connect these mics to. But I want the DJI action cam. The only problem is that those DJI ones, they connect with magnets, and I feel like I'm gonna lose those things because my truck like shakes a lot and it's just gonna throw it off the mount. Or I don't know, they're probably super strong. So let me just steal some diesel real quick. So yeah, guys, we did those 10 loads today, and let's see if we go back to the hourly paving job tomorrow and get another 10 hours, and Friday another 10 hours. But anyways, guys, just wanted to make a quick video update y'all how it's going so far. So like I said, man, last week was my best week, and the week before it was all right. The week before that I thought it was my best, but it's my second best. The week before that week, it was my worst, man. Only $700 in the whole week. I can make like at least $6 grand a week, so I can pay off everything and have money before winter, because winter, man, it's gonna suck, guys. I don't know yet, but hopefully we can find some work for winter. If not, this winter was gonna be good, but you already know I had a fucking engine failure, so I had to rebuild the engine. If I had it, man, I would have been good right now, man. I would have been good with not even all that fucking. At least we have a fairly new engine, you know. It's a rebuild. I didn't completely rebuild it. I know it has a new head, new main bearings, new camshaft. What I want to do is do the pistons, man. Like the pistons still look good. Actually, they were pretty good. The sleeves, but I want to like completely rebuild it. You know, just and also scared, man. They might blow again, even though it's rebuilt, kind of. I'm scared something might happen, and you know, if something does happen, that is the end of me, guys. No more dumb trucking for me. I might have to sell the truck with a blown engine because I don't have money to fix that thing. Unless it still has warranty. I think the mechanic said it has warranty. But at first, I need to get the intercooler, which I'm gonna get soon, man. Next paycheck, because I haven't had the money to buy a new intercooler. So once I get that intercooler, it should have warranty. And if everything happens, the mechanic has to fix it. That's what he said. Oh, look at that, guys. Is that a Bud Light? Is somebody drinking on the job? Oh no. That's a water, never mind. It looked like a Bud Light. I kind of want one right now, so let's go home real quick, relax, edit this video, and yeah, guys, I need more videos. By the way, if y'all can, man, support me on TikTok. Watch at least the minute video that I post, man, because I need to post 1 minute videos on TikTok. And if it gets views, over 1,000 views, they start paying me. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna make money on here and TikTok. Like the products I promote, I know it suck shitty ass ads, but help me out too with commission. So I need to make as much money as I can before winter, guys, and before in the summer too, because I don't know, we're just gonna get slower when summer ends. But winter is gonna be basically no work. I just can't save the money, guys, because I have so many bills. Insurance is the most expensive one, man. Just hopefully in 1 more year, all my accidents I've had are gonna be 3 years old, and because I had 3 accidents in 1 fucking year, guys. That's bullshit, man. That fucked me up, man. I can't believe they put me at fault for something I didn't cause. 2 of those accidents, man, I didn't cause it. But yeah, bitch ass fucking progressives. Oh yeah, it's your fault. They don't understand, man. We have blind spots, and the camera angles are not the same as my eyes, man. My eyes, like, can barely see the fucking cars in front of me. You can see it with the dash cam because it sits higher and more forward than my eyes. But damn, look at all these machines. Should have taken for a spin. Yeah, guys, I kind of want to get into grading too, man. I want to drive these beasts, man. These bulldozers, excavators, but no money for that, guys. Or anybody has like an excavation company, like they want to hire somebody, man, let me know. I kind of want to get into this training, you know. But I still want my truck. I want to do both trucking and excavation, you know. Thunder Trucking and Excavation. That's a good ass name. But my company is Thunder Trucking Construction. It's kind of the same thing. That's why I named it like that. Thunder Trucking Construction, because I want to get into the construction side too. Like actually build stuff with my hands and machines, man. Yeah, guys, enough yapping. I keep just adding more shit. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna post this tonight. Stay tuned for other videos. I'm gonna be editing more ASMRs with the new mic, man. It's gonna sound so good, man. I'm testing out the settings. Last night or yesterday I recorded an ASMR. Turned out pretty good. It's just the wind is a little bit too much, so I need to lower the settings a little bit more. Like do a few tweaks on the settings, and it's gonna sound insane, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. We might put that my engine in ATS. So y'all pay ATS. Stay tuned for that, man. Hopefully Jerry can put my engine into the game. But anyways, guys, enough yapping. I'll see y'all in the next one. Come on.